Roof replacement costs in Minnesota this year is very fluid, and there's a number of things that affect that. One of the big things is the type of material that's coming off. If it's asphalt shingles, that's not too bad to take off. But if you get into cedar shingles, they splinter and break and make a mess. The other big factor is the pitch of the roof. Steeper roofs are just harder to work on. They require more safety concerns. Things go a lot slower with a steeper roof, and so that pitch of the roof, as it increases, the cost also increases just due to the labor that it takes to put those shingles on and take those off. Another thing that affects it is the type of shingles that you want to put on. The GAF Timberline shingles are kind of the new standard, the architectural shingles, but they do also have some upgraded lines, some more designer lines that are a little thicker, a little heavier, and so those have a pretty big impact on the cost as well.